In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lead scoring in HubSpot. Lead scoring is an important part of managing your sales and marketing processes as it helps to prioritize the most promising leads. This can increase your team's efficiency and drive better business outcomes. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you want to head to the trial guide page in HubSpot. This is where all the magic begins. Once you've landed on the page, it's time to navigate to the marketing section. This link will take you directly to an area where you can manage all marketing-related tasks, streamlining the process for you by keeping everything centralized. When you're in marketing, look for the lead scoring option and click on it. Lead scoring is a specialized feature that assigns values to each lead based on their interactions and personal data. Scoring can be based on various attributes such as job role, seniority, industry, or interactions with your marketing materials. This allows your team to focus their efforts on leads that have the highest potential to convert. Next, click on the Create Score button. This will direct you towards a configuration area where you can start setting up your lead scoring parameters. At this point, it's all about deciding which variables are going to be the most indicative of potential sales success for your organization. You may want to collaborate with your team to determine which actions and attributes have historically led to high-quality leads. Once you've created a basic scoring framework, navigate over to the Companies section within lead scoring. Here you can specify unique scores for companies based on their demographics or activity levels. Do some research into what has worked for your team before, and apply that knowledge to build more nuanced scoring models. Now, when you click over to Deals, think about incorporating transactional data into your scoring. Deals data, such as the monetary value of past dealings and the frequency of transactions, can be hugely valuable for score accuracy, adding another layer of depth to your understanding of a lead's potential value. Finally, make sure to stop by the Contacts section. Scoring contacts with updated relevant information is pivotal. This is where you'll handle more individualized interactions, where personal engagement and communication histories come into play. Remember that scoring isn't just a set-and-forget kind of operation. Regularly review and tweak your scores based on new data, ensuring they continue to reflect the trends and situations unique to your business. And that wraps up our journey into lead scoring on HubSpot. Lead scoring can seem complex, but with these steps, you're well on your way to crafting a system that will bring clarity and prioritization to your sales funnel. Remember to keep refining your methods as market dynamics change and as your business grows. Thanks for watching and happy scoring!